Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, and today you are going to learning how to find the LCM program in Python. So how to prepare a logic and writing this Python logic is a super easy technique I am going to teaching you. Using ChatGPT AI tool, you can build source code easily. Yes, GPT tool will give you a complete source code for the program. How? We'll see now. Before going to start this session, please do subscribe for this channel for more such type of tips and techniques from coding and all relevant to the software industry. Let's begin the session. See, Python is like a ChatGPT, chat.openapi.com. It's a non-profit organization, open source code which is used to build. Write what you want and get the answer immediately. Getting better, this particular tool is getting better on every day. So what you need to do and use, register for free using Gmail or Microsoft account to get a free account. What you want to know and test this tool with a basic questions like prepare a resume for web development and for beginner 2 years experience and add some expertise, build or create a website, or any other questions you may ask to test, you will get a awesome experience response. Now my query is write a program to find the LCM program in Python using ChatGPT. So let's go how to start ChatGPT. I'll show you first, then I'll ask this question to my ChatGPT bot. Like we'll see how the wonder we will see. So go to Google and hit ChatGPT. Yeah, so ChatGPT, here we need to type. I have something like given here. So the ChatGPT optimizing language model, here the first link you need to go. Alright, yes, OpenAI. Now scroll down and try ChatGPT. If you are already registered, it will go to like using your username and password. It will take you the dashboard of ChatGPT query window. Or else what you need to do, you just simply sign up with using, sometimes it's a ChatGPT is getting busy. Yes, now immediately it's came. So sometimes what you say, it will ask to create a sign up. Once you did the sign up process, you will get by using the username and password, you will get this window. Now here you need to ask a question to ChatGPT. Now what is my query? I told you right now, write a program to find the LCM program in Python. So let's ask the ChatGPT what happens. Go. How to send a message? The same way we need to click the button. Here is the Python program to find the common multiple LCM of 2 integers. Wow, it's preparing a program done. Almost the source code is completed. See, if you know how to write a function and if else statements and variables, while condition like while loop statement and taking the inputs from the user and printing. This program while loop is used and applied. This see. And also have a function with the uses of GCD for the math library to return LCM. So multiple provisions and options are also it's giving you. So let me test for this first code. Take a copy. Yes, this code you can take a copy and use freely. It's an open source. Go to any of your PyCharm or any of Python code editor. Go to LCM. Just simply create a form like a form and test. We will test here. See, this is the code I have taken from the ChatGPT from this window, and in the PyCharm I am taken here. Now just run this Python form, run LCM. Like it will ask you like a first number and a second number based on this code response, like a 23 and second number is 2. See, 23 and 2 is a 46. How super easily it is giving us for LCM. What you need more? All the ready-made code and error free. There is no error for this. So have a great experience how to write programs. If you know the basics of Python, you start ask your ChatGPT to get wonderful results. I hope this video lecture is useful to you. Please do subscribe now and share your comments in the comment line below. Thank you.